So before we start this video, I'd like to introduce I'm very happy to introduce another beautiful woman on my channel. It's Ash. She's going to tell you a little about herself. So here we go.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm Kelly's friend.
All right.
Chris's girlfriend's friend.
Cool. Now we're going to give her some fragrances and see if she like them. They're okay or they suck. So here we go. We're going to go with Pegasus. Perfumes de Marley.
I like that okay.
Okay.
I'm going to give it a 2.
2?
That's this one.
All right, cool. Perfumes de Marley, 2. All right. Okay, we're going to jump into Chanel Allure on Sport Eau Extreme.
Thank you.
Sure. Like it, don't like it, maybe so.
I'm waffling between. I'm going to give it 2.5.
2.5. Chanel Allure on Sport Eau Extreme.
A more specific rating system.
All right. Get right into it. Doers Wash EDP. Let's see her reaction, see if she likes it. The other 2 girls like it. One does, one didn't. So here we go.
I like that a lot.
She likes it a lot, okay.
A 3.
All right, a 3.
Yeah.
Doers Wash EDP. Doers Wash EDP, the newer version. See if she likes it like she liked the original.
Yeah, I like that. It's subtle. Like also a 3, I think.
All right,
Yeah.
3. There you go. Doers Wash EDP. Can't go wrong with either one of them. John Barbados, Artisan Pure.
I don't like that one.
Doesn't like it. Hey, another one don't like it. It's okay. You get a 1. John Barbados, Artisan Pure. Original Invictus. See if she likes this.
It's really fruity.
Oh,
I'm going to say 2 for that.
Let's give it a 2. Invictus. Aqua de Geo Profumo. Oh.
I do really like that.
Oh, she does.
I'll
Okay.
give it a 2.5
2.
again.
Aqua de Geo Profumo. Dolce & Gabbana, the 1 EDP.
Yeah, 2.5 again. I like
2.5.
that.
All right. Stronger with you.
I don't like that one.
She doesn't like it.
Give it a 1.
Give it a 1. She doesn't like it. Okay. Stronger with you. So, 1 Million Lucky by Paco Rabanne. I hope she likes this one. Everybody else does, but we'll see.
I don't like it.
Oh, she doesn't like the honey. She doesn't like
1.5.
1.5. Okay. So we got Prada L'Homme. See if she likes this one.
I like that okay, too.
It's okay. 2. All right, 2. Prada L'Homme. Aqua Geo Absolute.
This is the one I liked the other day.
Oh. So you already know her answer is going to be on this one.
I do, and it's a 3. This
It's
is
a 3.
my favorite one.
Aqua Geo Absolute.
I like that.
Underrated fragrance here. It's got to be hyped up. Versace Arrows.
I'm going to say 2 on that.
2. Versace Arrows. 2. Aqua 2018.
Thank you.
No problem.
2.5.
2.5. Pictus Aqua 2018. 2 more left, guys, and that's it. Salvatore Ferragamo, Umo.
I like that. It's kind of like chocolatey.
Mm-hmm. Like it?
Yeah, I'm going to give it 2.5 again.
2.5. Salvatore Ferragamo, Umo. And the last fragrance is Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum. Let's see what she thinks about this one.
Thank you.
Sure.
2.5 on that again.
2.5. Well, it's the end of the video, guys. If you guys like videos like this, hit the like button, click the subscribe button. Hope you guys have a nice holiday, and bye.